The accuser is often the guilty party. 1 minute inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. And I heard a loud voice saying in heaven, now is come salvation and strength and the kingdom of our God and the power of his Christ. For the accuser of our brethren is cast down, which accused them before our God day and night. There is a time and place in order to point out the faults of another Christian. It must be done by a group of people who are spiritual in mind and gentle in the way that they treat others. Furthermore, this group of people must be very introspective about their own lives. In other words, they must make sure they are living correctly as well and not being hypocrites. These are not accusers. These are not judgmental people. Instead, they are helpers and sent by God to restore an erring Christian. However, there are accusers. These are the hypocrites who never see their own faults, but are quick to see the faults of others. They make it their duty in life to find negative things about others in order to hold against them or fuel the gossip circles from which they are a part. They have the spirit of Satan and are using their words and actions to tear others down, not help them. As you can see, the real accuser is Satan and is motivating these people to follow his lead. If you cannot see your faults, accuse no one. If you have no intention of changing your negative ways, accuse no one. If you are habitually accusing others, re-evaluate who you are and who you serve. May God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ.